Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Today Yo, what is good, YouTube? Today we got a new video. So today we got an unboxing. So this is a new series I'm gonna do. I'm basically unboxing certain toys, certain stuff I get that I'm gonna take pictures of. Today we got an unboxing of Quiccs. I don't know if you heard of him, but I'm gonna put his link in the description. But basically, he is a toy maker. He's a toy designer, and my brother sent me this box. This is like a limited edition box, something like that. So I'm gonna unbox it. I think in one of my previous videos, something like that, I think I showed you guys, but I didn't actually take a picture, nor did I like really reveal it. And plus, it was kind of trash, so I'm gonna actually do it now and show you what's inside. Today or tomorrow, I'm gonna take pictures of it, stuff like that. But right now, it is kind of like, it's not sunny. It's not really popping outside. It's kind of like dim, it's kind of cloudy. So I might do it tomorrow when it gets sun, stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna do unboxing today. I'm kind of excited though, cause like I said, I'm gonna put his link down in the description. But some of his stuff, some of the toys he make, he has his own style. Like as I'll unbox and show you, he does have his own style. Some of the stuff that he makes is actually pretty dope. It would be pretty dope to take pictures of his stuff and actually get connections with him. I'm gonna definitely show y'all, you know, review and stuff like that. Zoom in, zoom out, show y'all like, you know, the toys and the products that he makes and stuff like that. I said video every week. I did a video last week. I did like a story time video, something like that. So if you want to check that out, it's like a 20-minute video. It is kind of long. Just check that out if you can. Basically it was like, I'm gonna put it like somewhere around here. But basically it was like, how did I want to be a photographer? And I just did a little like brief explanation. Well, 20 minutes isn't brief, but I did like a little explanation and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to check that out, you can. Do got another video coming out next week. So this is the video that's coming this week. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment as well if you want to see some new stuff. Make sure you also comment if you like the video. These pictures are going to be on Instagram today or tomorrow, stuff like that, depending on when I take it. So yeah, stay tuned. Hold on, bro. I forgot something. Hold up. How am I gonna do a video without my hat? Always have my hat. This one is my lucky hat. Always had this one. Alright. So as I was briefly explaining earlier, yes, he is a toy maker. Yes, and he's actually verified too. Like he's pretty famous. So yeah, this is the box. Can you even see it? I don't know. Yeah, the light's kind of hidden right now. But yeah, it's the back of the box. Back of the box. Yeah, I'm not reading all this. This box is pretty beaten up. I mean, it's not beaten up. It's still in shape and stuff, obviously. But I've been using it for a lot of things. Oh, the words on the side. I didn't even know that. Oh, it's kind of reflective. Oh, that's nice. Okay, yeah. And I got his, like, I guess his style. I guess this is the face of his toy here. I gotta move it in a certain, you know, angle because of the reflection of the light and stuff like that. So I gotta kind of like, because if I put it like this, you can't see it. So I gotta do it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to pronounce it. Yuka Mi Hitsuji. Yeah. I have no idea. But yeah, overall, I like the presentation. I like the box, stuff like that. Yeah, this is kind of like his name right there. There, yeah. So Quiccs. Yeah, I think that's spelled the way it's. No, it's not spelled the way it sounds. Quiccs. Yeah, and like I said, I'm gonna put a link in the description anyway, so it doesn't matter. You can check them out. So yeah, I do like the presentation. So yeah, be ready to slowly open it. This is taking longer than I thought. Come on. Finally. All right. There's nothing really inside here. Oh wait, it is. What is that? Is that a robot face? I have no idea what that is. I think it's a robot. I think it's one of his other, like, I guess his styles. I guess those two eyes. I could be totally wrong. Anything else? Oh, I completely missed this part. I completely missed this part. Wow. So basically, hold up, let me start this over. So you're supposed to put it inside. Okay, so you put it, I'm doing it just the wrong way. Okay, let's do it like this. Alright. Get it? I can't get it in. I can't. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so basically you open it from here and then like that. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so yeah, you can see it clearly. Alright. Now, this glass part is pretty dirty, but that is the toy. But like I said, I'm gonna actually open it and take it out and show you. But it's supposed to be displayed like this. So this is cool. I like this. It's different. You know, like I said, I wasn't expecting this. But this is cool though. I like it. Let's actually get to the unboxing. Alright, come on. We already opened it. Let's just take it out. Okay, we got it out for the second time. Now I'm gonna put it. No, I'm not gonna put it back in there because that's dumb. I'm gonna get it stuck again. I'm gonna put it on the floor. Okay, so plastic cover. We're gonna take the plastic cover off. All right, we're actually getting to the good stuff. So basically, before I show you the main product, I'm just gonna show you his side product to the main product, or to the, you know, the whole idea of this toy. So like I said, I don't really have much information on this toy yet. I just know his like base style and like stuff like that, like, you know, his signature pretty much. You know, when you're an artist, you pretty much have a signature, not your written signature, but just something you put in your toys that'll scream, oh, this is you, oh, this is you. You know, so this is just a part of the main toy. So this is pretty cool. And like I said, I don't know the names. It's probably on the back of the box, but I'm not reading all that. I'm just not gonna do it. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Alright, so we're gonna set that right here. Oh my god, the light is hitting so hard. We're getting to the good part. Alright, so this is the actual toy. There we go. Okay. Bam! This is the toy, right? So this is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty dope. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Like, look at the, it's not like it's anything crazy. It's like, it's simple. It's like a sleek design. It has its own style to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? He got the hoodie. He got the, oh, I didn't even see this bat in his hand. Pretty cool if you can take it off. You can move the arms, put it in a different position. What is this on have? Nothing in it. But just look at it. And I think that's like another logo right there. But yeah, I think it's like a wolf, like a robot wolf or something like that. Like a, I don't know, bro, but this is actually pretty dope. And his style is, he has his toys like stand up like this. And like I said, if you go on his Instagram, you'll see like they're all gonna look similar to this, but just different designs and stuff. But this is dope, bro. And me personally, I love black, red. I just like that combination, especially when it comes to clothes. I like black, red, and white. So like this all black with like the red, you know, like just trim right there with the bat and the, this is dope, man. Yeah, he has a signature at the bottom. That's not, is that the right way? Yeah. Like I said, it might be backwards for y'all, but that's his signature. Quicks. He has it on like all his toys. Yeah. And then the one I showed you previously, his logo, yeah, that's one of them. Like, if I had to rate this from 0 to 10, obviously 10 being the highest, I would give it at least a 9. And that's saying a lot, you know what I'm saying? Because I actually judge things like very strictly. This is a cool 9. Because like I said, it's nothing crazy. Because sometimes when you create a crazy toy, it's like, it might be too much going on, and you might, you know, just throw too many colors out, throw too many, you might be trying too hard, and then you might be missing what you're actually going for. This is simple, nice design, it's cool, and I definitely cannot wait to take pictures of this. I'm gonna definitely do a single shot of this, the main one, and I'm gonna definitely do like a group shot with both of these. So I might do I'm not gonna do a single one of this toy right here, the secondary toy. I'm just gonna do a single one of this one, and then a group of both. So everything in the box is just pretty much just another plastic. Yep, another plastic. And yeah, so this is the toy. Yeah. So hold on. So yep, that's the toy, and like the sketch version, I guess, the art, you know. That is so dope. That is really, really cool. So that's pretty much everything. I pretty much just wanted to show you guys, do like an unboxing, and show y'all what the next picture or next big picture is gonna be on my Instagram. So yeah, I am really excited. I had this in my crib for like, I want to say 2 months, but I never took a picture because I was just doing other things like on the YouTube and on the Instagram, you know. So I'm actually glad that I'm actually opening it and unboxing it, because like I said, I unboxed it one time before, but it wasn't really a good unboxing. I wasn't really like paying attention per se. Like, I just opened it and just saw it and I just closed it. But now I'm actually opening it and looking in like the whole box as a whole and the toys, and I didn't even know there was a second toy, you know what I'm saying? So that's actually pretty dope, and I can kind of get dope shots with that, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I might take the pictures today, still deciding. I might just do it tomorrow, but either way, whenever I upload the pictures, that's when I'm gonna upload the video. So it's definitely gonna be tomorrow. Like, even though I might take the pictures today, I'm definitely not gonna upload the video today. I'll definitely upload it tomorrow for sure. But yeah, I might take the pictures today. So yeah, you know, let me know in the comments if you like this. This is gonna be it together. You know what I'm saying? And I do kind of want to look it up maybe and, you know, kind of see the history behind, you know, why these toys are together and stuff like that. It's simple, but it's fire. And like I said, sometimes people, they try to do too much and then it ends up being too much, you know what I'm saying? They're trying too hard. This, he didn't try too hard, you know? Like, and you can still try hard and keep a simple design, and that's exactly what he did here. And this is, like, perfect. This is, like, really, really good. So yeah, I can't wait to take a picture of this I cannot. I just can't wait. And like I said, I might do it today. Probably gonna end up doing it today. But so yeah, this is my first unboxing. I'm gonna do a series, you know, when I get toys and stuff like that. And even if I don't like get it in a box, I'm still gonna reveal it and still call it unboxing when I guess it's kinda like clickbait. But yeah, this is dope, bro. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Let me know if you comments if you already know him. Like I said, he's verified. I think he has like a sponsor with Adidas or something like that. So on some of his shoes, you'll see like the 3 stripes. So I don't know if you see it. Yeah, he has those 3 stripes. I'm pretty sure he has a deal with Adidas and stuff like that. So when he creates his toys and stuff like that, on his shoes he'll have like 3 stripes, which I find is really dope. Like, that's really, really cool. And I think the cap's gonna be the hardest part. Oh, nope, never mind, we're good. So yeah, this is the box overall. That was the unboxing. Let me know if you liked it. Like I said, I cannot wait. Just check him out because his stuff is really, really good. His name is Quiccs, and like I said, so either way, it's spelled differently. It's not spelled the way it sounds. But yeah, his stuff is really, really good. And if you heard of him, you know how good his stuff is. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap up the video now. Probably gonna like work on doing the photo shoots now for this toy. So yeah, you know, let me know if you liked it. Comment. Like I said, it's gonna be a video next week. I already got stuff planned. Video every week. And the videos are gonna get better. We're gonna be going to different places and taking photo shoots. They're not just gonna be all at my house or like local and stuff like that. They're gonna be going to different places and stuff like that. So yeah, the future content is gonna get better, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, like if you like the video, comment what you want to see next, comment if you like the toy, rate it. Like I said, I rated a 9 out of 10. Some people might not even like it. If you don't like it, I don't know what's wrong with you. But yeah, and then also subscribe to, let me know. Video coming next week, already got something planned. Video every week, video last week, check it out. Put it somewhere, it's also gonna be in the link in the description. Stay tuned for the pictures. I'm gonna put on my Instagram, link in the description.
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like